Bastis! One of the other exciting treatments that you will learn with us is how to do Bastis. The word Basti translates as bladder in Sanskrit, and it's a way of applying oil or pooling oil over different Marma points on the body. Some exciting application ways of doing a Basti is to pool the eyes with ghee. We can also place these whole wheat flour donuts over different organs in the body or along the spine. Oil has an amazing effect to push and pull at the same time, so while it nourishes tissue, it also helps to withdraw toxins from the system. So what I'm going to show you right now is just a little bit of how we start to make this dough. So we start with the whole wheat flour and then just a little bit of room temperature water. And you want to mix this around until it starts to clump into little balls. Almost as if you were making a yummy loaf of bread. It's kind of the same process, kneading the dough into a nice firm ball. So this is the kind of donut that you're looking for. And depending on the area of the body that you're working on, your donut can be smaller or larger. But the walls need to be pretty high so that you can get about 2 inches of oil pooling in that spot. One of the nice things that happens in a panchakarma setting is that all of these treatments are offered together in sort of a suite, and they sort of exponentiate or make each other treatment better because we're using them together. They can all be used separately, on their own, but used together in this cleansing process, it just increases their impact and their potential to help us heal.